Hey Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making a mocktail. Have you heard the name before? It's called Sangria. A really delicious and a fruity mocktail recipe made with lemon, lime, oranges. It's summer, it gets really hot. Make sure you definitely try this mocktail recipe and do check out my other mocktail recipes. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Alright, we're gonna start by cutting out the fruit. Here I've got oranges, apple, peaches, kiwi, lemon and lime. Make sure to wash your fruit before cutting them, and you want to thinly slice your fruit but not too thin. Now if you want, you can cut them a bit smaller so you can serve them with your drink. Now grab a big jug or a bowl where we're gonna add all of our fruit and juices. Throw in all of the sliced fruit, cardamom sugar syrup, orange juice, pomegranate juice. You could also use blueberries and strawberries if you like. Give that a really good mix. And you want to let it marinate in the fridge for at least a few hours so it really develops that flavor. Now once you create a sugar rim on the glass, grab yourself a plate, in with the sugar and a touch of salt. Grab your glass, a wedge of lime, and you just want to go across the glass. And you have a beautiful sugar and salt rim. Set that to a side. The longer you set, the better it will become. It's been a few hours, so grab your mixture. Add in some of those juices. Throw in the ice. Add in some of the fruit. Finish it off with sparkling or soda water. Touch of fruit on the side. Beautiful. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks refreshing. Wow. The liquid has absorbed all those extracts. Really good. So rich. All of those juices from lemon, lime, orange really kicks in. Love the flavor of this sangria. Trust me, you haven't tasted anything like this before. And if you want, you can have a bite of those fruits. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.